Back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason TikTok keeps telling you that it looks like you're not eligible to actually sign up for a TikTok account. Now, the main reason why this is happening, and I'll definitely tell you what happens to a lot of people, is because you put in a birthday for your specific TikTok account that is technically too old for how old you technically are. So what this means is basically the TikTok account that you have, you essentially are not age enough or old enough to have a TikTok account. So what I would recommend doing is first of all making sure you typed in the right age for your specific account. If you're truthfully under that age, then I would recommend not installing TikTok because you can't even sign up for it. Now, if you accidentally typed in a wrong age, well, all you have to do here is type in the right age as of that point, and then you should be okay. You should be able to go ahead and sign up for that account, and you probably won't be asked any other questions. Now, for some reason, you typed in the right age, and for some reason, it's still telling you you're not eligible. Well, what you may want to do is you want to go ahead and go into your app store, and you want to go ahead and update your version of TikTok. So go and click on the search button. You want to go up here. You want to go ahead and type in TikTok just like you did. And all you want to do here is you want to go ahead and update your version of TikTok. So if TikTok hasn't been updated for a long time for you, well, all I would recommend doing here is updating TikTok, and that should end up fixing the problem for the most part. Now, for some reason that still is not working, what I would recommend doing is making your way over to a website like downdetector.com. So this is personally one of my favorite websites to go to. There's tons of websites like this. You can go to so many other ones. You don't have to go to this one. But what I would recommend doing here is scrolling through until you find a specific thing that says TikTok. So if you see TikTok, it's usually going to be the first one. If it's not the first two, then it's definitely not having an issue. You can see TikTok here is not even showing up at all. So all you would have to do here is go and scroll. If you don't see TikTok, you see it down here. That doesn't mean there's a problem with it. So essentially, the only other thing that could be happening is potentially an error within TikTok. So what I'd recommend doing is deleting the TikTok application and going through, reinstalling it, seeing if that works. You can also try making sure you're connected to an internet connection. You can try updating your phone. You can try restarting your phone. But those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.